Grace does not just forgive you. Grace rebuilds you. You're welcome once more to Living the Grace Life with Pastor Peter Daniel. And today, I want us to talk about how grace is able to rebuild you, not just forgive you. Grace does not just forgive. Grace rebuilds. You remember Peter? Peter denied Jesus. He was forgiven, but grace restored him back into being an apostle. Remember the prodigal son? The prodigal son was forgiven, but grace restored him, gave him a ring, and gave him authority with a robe. Grace is not just about forgiveness. Grace clears the path so that your future can be constructed. God uses forgiveness to cleanse you, but uses grace to rebuild you and to restore you back into track on the future that He has always dreamt for you. Write in the comments, grace rebuilds me and restores me.